Okay.
Okay, we are live. What's up, guys? This is Trav and Brett. We are working on Eat the Elephant, which is a app for iPhone that allows people to create a goal that they want to accomplish, break it into bite-sized chunks, and accomplish that goal by any means necessary, including blocking of potentially doom scrollable apps. We're doing this in collaboration with RevenueCat Shipathon, and we're wanting to win.
That's our goal.
Oh yes. So I'm going to post the link to the Shipathon Discord. I'm hoping just the fact that we're live streaming every day. This could be a big,
It's hard. It's hard. It's been really fun, really rewarding.
yeah.
But yeah, it's not easy to do it every day.
That's what hashtag build in public means, you know. But yeah, I definitely do feel a little wiped out. Like I'm gonna go to bed early tonight. Oh, I'm
Nice.
so excited. Just close my eyes. And, while that's loading, I'm going to pull up our application. Uh, a lot of people messaging in iOS. Oh, did we not post yesterday? We might have missed it.
Well, we might not have posted in the Discord, but we did do our live stream.
Yeah. Okay. Let me see if I can find our live stream.
Oh, sorry. I can send you the link. I
Yeah, I
got
got it.
I got going in Rive. Did you
You got it
find
going?
it?
Yeah, I got it. There we go. Got it.
Yeah, sweet.
Look at us, dude. 25.
It's big.
We should count how many hours.
Yeah, it'll be cool. We'll know like pretty much exactly how many hours we spent on this thing.
Yeah, true. I haven't put much time outside of these into this at all. Like,
Yeah, I've just same. I mean, it's on the side. We're just doing it at nights,
yeah.
doing it after work for the fun of it.
Oh, yeah. Um, but yeah, I'd say we've got the onboarding stop doom scrolling screen going pretty well. Um, the next screen, I'll pull up the Figma and we could get started. Next screen is the goal screen. Which are we still wanting to do an animation on this? Like the
So I was thinking the goal screen uh, could be just the background that we already have.
cool. Yeah, I'm chill with that. Okay. And this is nice. We're going to use the same terminal text with something, and then we'll probably have a on finish. And then do we not want to show the text field until it pops up?
Do you want to share your screen with me on FaceTime? Whatever you did last night was great.
Yeah, I don't know how it did it. I could try to.
You just had your screen.
Maybe I'll share my OBS screen. Because somehow yesterday it just automatically thought like the way I've got this set up is I have a Mac Mini that I'm on the FaceTime with you on.
Mm-hmm.
And my laptop is plugged into my Mac Mini with like a video, what's this called? Video capture card. Like a really cheap one I found on Amazon. So my laptop doesn't know I'm streaming at all. It just thinks it's plugged into a display, which is why it runs faster. But I don't know, like, yeah. Can you see that then? Am I sharing the
No,
screen?
it's still just you. Oh,
Uh,
yes, I can see your screen now. Yeah.
okay, cool. Okay. Yeah. What do you want to accomplish?
Yeah, so I think we kind of laid it out on the Figma. Yeah, you're there. Yeah, so we have the background. I think we're good for now, just our background.
Okay.
And then I think what we actually want that animation that I have is for when it's doing the AI like thinking.
Yeah.
So we'll get there.
Okay, I want to say max width. Well, that's where it's stuff like, yeah, as it's typing, do you see this? It's like accomplish instead of, and it like kind of jitters. I'm wondering if we put like a new line character there.
No, what you need to do is render the text invisibly underneath.
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
Yeah. So yeah, you see that whole thing underneath. And set it to its color is clear or opacity 0. I don't know. You told me clear is better.
Yeah, there was something from that one. Let's try.
I can see that. I can see opacity 0 causing weird issues sometimes. Yeah, and then we need the displayed text to be aligned to the left.
Or all of it?
Yeah, no, uh, like as the text is typing, it should start from the left and then move over.
Yeah.
So it just needs to be aligned left. Right now it's aligned. Well, I guess it is aligned that, but it's like centered. But maybe if you, oh, you set the, text view is text. Let's see.
I'm wondering, like right now, it's doing display text. Like this is growing. Maybe we switch this to be um, like display text. Yeah, it's like that. But then we start at state or like
Yeah, you
clear
need
text.
the text view that you have. Yeah, you're gonna have to create a new one. No, the clear text needs to be just the whole thing written out. So yeah, I see what you're saying. Clear text needs to just equal text.
This is
Oh yeah, that's
this
smart.
is,
Just put it there, but then that needs to be a Z-stack.
let's see. So in the typing text.
Well, you just need to do where you're setting display text. Yeah, there you go.
So it starts the whole thing's like that, and then every time we update display text, we should also do clear
It's
text.
kind of working now.
And then instead of the cursor being there.
Wait, why did that work? Why does removing the first letter of clear text work? Because it's like the exact opposite is happening.
Yeah, so here, yeah, this is what I'm thinking. Displayed text starts as empty,
Uh-huh.
and then clear text starts as the entire thing.
Yeah.
And then on every pass, the displayed text gets another character, and the clear text gets the character taken off. So we're always showing like the whole text.
Huh. Yeah, and because it's monospaced, it works.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool.
So my hope would
Now you
be
just need to
now
fix the cursor.
maybe we don't need any of this. Yeah, yeah. What do we want?
There you go.
And then let's see, what does
What
the
did you
cursor look
do?
like at the end?
Where did you put?
Okay, so
I'll bet the tap thing you're gonna have to clean up. On tap, you're gonna have to set clear to nothing.
I think it's good. Like, um,
Okay, sick.
I don't know.
It
Wait,
has a
actually,
little. Does it move a little bit?
yeah, I just noticing that. Let's see. Yeah, it does. Why does
Is
it
it
do that?
just one character?
I'm wondering. Let's see. Does this?
Yeah, once the cursor drops down, it's doing it.
Must not be.
Um,
I'm thinking we start.
but it should be all the way to the left. It's like centered still a little bit in its box.
Hmm. Yeah, what's happening? Okay, I'm gonna get rid of it. So this is this working right?
No, it's still jumping.
Yeah.
It's that space at the end of that. Well, it's like not all the way over to the left.
Yeah, that's where, okay, maybe at this point we do we always want it to take up like all the space? Max width of infinity and alignment of leading.
Yes. And then we should, and then, well, then we need to add some padding.
Yeah, and I think we'll just have
But
whenever
yeah, that's
people
it.
call it, that's where the caller needs to add the padding.
Okay, that's
Unless
fine.
we want to put padding like
No, because that's just right on the safe area right now, which is probably fine, honestly.
yeah,
Oh,
let's let the caller do all the padding
yeah,
so that way
but
they can
that,
determine the
yeah,
size.
yep.
Okay. And then I'm gonna like just to make it consistent within this. So this is pretty much returning, but you don't need to mark it as return because it's a view builder. Um, cool. Now I'm going to run it one more time and tap it as it's going. And we should be able to tap anywhere on it. Like,
Now we can, yeah. So
yeah,
that actually makes it even better.
yeah,
The clear stuff.
okay. Yeah, I'm good with this.
Okay, sweet. I mean, it makes sense that you could tap anywhere on the screen and it would speed it up.
Yeah, anywhere within like that terminal.
I mean, yeah, for now that's fine.
Cool. All right, I'm going to check onboarding, make sure it didn't break. Yeah, that's perfect, right?
Yeah, the
So
haptics
now,
are awesome too.
oh, yeah, I'm excited, dude. Oh, it's just nice that we can throw this anywhere.
Yeah.
What do you want to accomplish instead of? Oh, see what oh, I put this new line.
Um, you had two spaces in there.
I put a new line because it was
Oh,
moving before.
yeah, no. It can handle it.
Nice. And I do want to try like you can mess with sizing. Just want to see like a super big font. So it moved up a little bit.
I wonder why. Oh, because the cursor moved to the bottom. It,
Yeah,
it didn't account for the cursor. So maybe in clear text, you need to have clear text be the whole thing plus the cursor.
plus a cursor, and then it should once it's done, it should remove the last one.
Then it's done, it would remove the last one and the cursor will replace itself.
Yeah.
Just do plus current. Yeah, there you
go. And then.
Yep, that's perfect. Look at that.
Sick. Let's make it
Try a
really
longer
big.
word than doom scrolling. Just, oh yeah, there you go. Yes, sweet.
Are we chill with
Yes.
that?
Yeah,
This is for like grandmas.
dude, that's like my parents.
Yeah, and this is me. Yeah,
Yeah, I love.
which I
Yeah,
oh, it looks so good.
as much as I love custom fonts, I do. Apple makes it easy to use their fonts.
Oh, so good, dude. Oh, I
You
love it.
know. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Okay, what do you
It's a
want to
fun component.
accomplish?
We should like publish this component somewhere for people to use if they want.
Oh yeah, I'm down. Yeah, when you add it, we'll add it to our side components library, and then ultimately, like, yeah, we should just publish all of these
Yeah, we should
packages.
write up like a little article or something on how it works.
Yeah.
Post it.
The only issue is like I don't want to. Once you start doing that, we have to think about version control of the packages,
Oh no! I'm just saying post like the
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 code.
code in
Oh,
an article explaining the code.
nice. Yeah, I dig that. Yeah, it'd be fun. And we could be like,
Yeah,
okay, at this point, we were like, we saw that this
right.
happened, and we're like, okay, in order to,
Yeah, yep. Because then it's kind of cool. It's like, oh, it wasn't working, and then we added cursor, and then we added, yeah.
yeah, oh, that's fun.
Yeah, I'm not ready to maintain an open source project yet.
Yeah, no, I totally agree.
As fun as it would be.
Um, so yeah, we want to, and we could probably take that off now. So anywhere we call terminal text, we just need to remember it's going to take up as much width as it can.
Okay, which is, yeah.
Which is fine, right?
You can just add, yeah, you can just add the padding in when it doesn't need to. But all of our designs right now have it be, it's the full thing.
Yeah,
I wonder if we could even use terminal text, dude, when we get a new task.
yeah, that'd be sick because I think you can like um, also do let me see, typing speed. You do like
Yeah, we could have it be a little faster.
have it be like 30. So as soon as we get one, we just like,
Yep, new
or
task,
even like
bam.
faster, just like
Yeah,
oh. Except I at that point the glyph is like maybe we don't include the glyph.
we would want something that turns that off. Yeah,
Yeah, let's do that.
should make it an optional.
We'll like have it be a bool, but we'll set it to be true. And then
Well, it's really just if it ends up right because you probably still want it during the typing.
yeah, yeah. So okay, so it'd be like
So once it finishes, it removes itself or hides itself or turns off its opacity.
so if um let's see
Uh, really, you could
include
just have it where it's looping over itself to keep showing. It could just always check if include glyph is true.
yeah okay. So once so this is what is called when so after it goes through all the text, it then calls this to like clean it up. So at this point, we'll say like, if you don't include the glyph, then we'll cancel the blinking and set show cursor to be false. So let's just try it by like doing the opposite. So it should show, but then once it gets to the end.
And then, sorry, last thing, you just need, if we're not showing the cursor once it finishes, then on clear, you need to not add cursor. On the clear text, where it's clear text equals text plus cursor glyph on start. No, in the start section. Down, 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 right there. Yeah, that needs to not be added if cursor is turned off.
Oh, well, I think it'd be like, we should still add it. No, yeah, it's true.
Because then the lines will be off potentially by one. Because then when you remove it, the text could drop down.
Why is it still showing now? So I'm going to have it be positive right now, but we'll have to flip it. So it's showing, and it's still showing. Maybe we do all this later.
Sure.
Okay. We could do this. I just don't want it to break right now. And we could do this later once we have once we get to the tasks, because we want to do this for the tasks. So let's do it at that point.
Yeah, great.
Right. Okay. So instead, we're going to keep going on the goal screen. Which on the goal screen, okay, we don't want to increase the typing speed. Okay, so we'll have the terminal text, and then underneath that we'll have a text field. And we want prompt with text. So this will be bound to the goal text. We'll have a text with specific goal. And this will be monospaced. And then this should have some padding and I'm never good at like, yeah, this corner radius thing. I always forget how to do it.
The clipping, you got to like draw a rectangle and then clip it.
Yeah. With a small border on the text field.
Oh.
Yeah, like cool. Clips content. Let's see what that does. Yeah, this is from our old one.
Yeah, I kept doing the onboarding today and was like, oh, I can't wait to get to this second screen.
Yeah. It's crazy how long it takes. But also, honestly, it's crazy how fast we're going. Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
It yeah, like if this was someone's first app, there'd be a lot more overhead to learn.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hopefully we could just drop this in background Rive view.
Looks like it did not drop in. Is it being covered up?
So I'm wondering, like, why is it not? It's working in the focus mode, right? In focus mode, it's working. Why is this working here? Oh, you know why? I think right now this is just a VStack. So it's really only showing, yeah, it is actually being shown like,
Oh, just inside there.
yeah, you can see it right here.
Yeah, it's hard to see on my little screen of your screen.
Yeah, so I made this V scroll view in our components, which takes up the entire view, but centers everything, but makes it scrollable. So now it should pop up. Like, there it is.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I've got a good idea to clean up the. You know how when it goes between going fast and slow, it's not like super smooth. I think I know how I'm going to fix that.
Between going fast and slow? What do you mean?
Yeah, I remember the background, how it like goes fast
Oh,
and then slow, and it kind of does a little bit of a jump. I've got an idea on how to fix that.
nice.
And then probably, Trevor, what this should do is type it out. Once it finishes typing out, specific goals should become focused. Keyboard should pop up.
Okay. Should specific goal be shown the entire time?
No, it could animate into view and then become the focus. Just like the buttons animate in after the text finishes. That would be kind of cool to have just that same. Maybe not have it come all the way from the bottom because that would be a long way to travel, but it could like fade in or something.
Yeah. Okay. And I'm going to.
Yeah, and then bam, it comes in. The keyboard needs to come in, and then also the button needs to come in that says like next. Yeah,
Yeah.
the button
Nice.
that says let's do this, we could get different text for that.
Okay. Here, I'll do that button right now.
I don't know what to have it say. I'm ready. Oh, nice. Did you add padding and stuff? I look away for 1 second, you clean it up.
Yeah. So this will be a button. Actually, it's going to be a ETE button. Text of let's do this, or what were we wanting?
I'm ready. Next. Let's do this. Yeah, I guess let's do this. I mean, it's kind of fun.
I wonder what. So yeah, as they're typing, we don't want to let them continue until they've typed something, right? At least.
Fair.
Like, should this be disabled until they do?
Oh, do we have it disabled?
We don't. Which, yeah, how do we do that?
I don't know. I'm actually starting to not be a fan of disabling buttons because if someone taps it, it doesn't like help them. It's just like it doesn't register the tap when it's disabled. So I think what I'd want it to do is when you tap let's do this, if nothing's in specific goal, then that text field should shake a little bit.
Ooh.
And like maybe get a border, but it could just shake. Just so it's like, hey, we can't move on till you type something.
Yeah.
So I prefer stuff like that over disabling.
Okay.
Takes an extra step, but makes it nice.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's figure that out.
Yeah, so if they've got, and I wonder if they're, well, I'll bet chat. I'll bet if you just ask chat for a little error shake, it'll probably give you a pretty good one.
Yeah, that'd be sick. Okay, but this is basically the whole view, right? Like maybe I'll add padding to the top.
Yeah.
Of like 30. So it pushes it down a little bit.
There.
And you tap here, it'll pop up. Okay, so now let's do this animation of bringing the goal thing in. So I have this heading text did load. Or did, yeah, let's call this like prompt text finished typing. So when the prompt text finished typing, that's when we'll bring this in. And the last screen, the way we did it is it's always offset at the bottom. And then when it comes in from the bottom. It like offsets back to its normal position. But you're saying that like that'd be too weird coming from all the way from the bottom. So instead, we'd want to perhaps like have it appear.
Yeah. We probably just mess with its. Is it Y? I think it's just its Y. Just move its Y down a little bit, and then have it be invisible, and then it like opacity fades in.
Okay. So if the prompt,
probably like
it should be like down 100, else 0.
Yeah, we could see what 100 looks like.
Okay, it might be the other way around. As soon as this finishes, it's going to jump. Okay. So we want it to be normally there. Okay. And there. Okay.
Yeah.
And then you're saying like the opacity
should,
if it finished, should be 1.0, else it should be empty. And then before this all works, we'll add animation.
Yeah, just
Default to the prompt. So it should be hidden
Huh.
down below, and as soon as it finishes, it'll go. What do you think? Anything else?
Nice.
We could even do
default's fine. Is default what you used on the buttons?
I might. Let's check. Stop doom's going.
Yeah, one of these projects we can make a custom animation curve, but I think for now it's great.
Yeah, I just did default.
Yeah, default's good.
Okay. What about scale effect?
Yeah, let's see what it looks like. You could do a little bit of one. Oh, run it again. I wasn't looking.
Okay, let's see. It's loading. That gets bigger.
Yeah. Yep. And then focus it and have the keyboard pop up, and then the button. I wonder if "Let's do this" pops up like after they type something. But I guess "Let's do this" could also pop in.
And we could maybe have it pop in once they, yeah, like once it's not empty.
Yeah, once there's something. Once it's not empty once. It doesn't have to disappear again if it goes empty. I think it can just appear.
Okay.
And then once it appears, it doesn't go away.
Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the text will be typing.
Yeah, it just comes in focus, which is great.
Yeah.
Which then this might be a case where we don't need the blinker to keep blinking.
Mm,
Right, because now we have two.
yeah. No, that's true. Okay, let's
You want to make your
let's do the animation on the. Let's do this really quick before.
okay.
More. And then do we want to just do the same animation as the previous screen?
Yeah, it can just come up from the bottom.
Okay, so it's false. And then we're going to say on change of the goal text. Doesn't matter. As soon as it changes at all, we're going to set CTA button shown to be true.
Mm-hmm. Great. Can we change? Is it possible to change the text view? How the cursor's blue? Is it possible to change that?
Yeah, I think we do like tint.
Probably just white. Yep. Yeah, once we add themes, maybe we can mess with that.
There's white.
Yeah, that looks slick.
It might, like, I think it'll override. So right now it's white, but on the entire app, we set, where is it? On the entire app, we set a tint of cyan. So I think right now it's only showing blue because we're in a preview. But normally it shows cyan. Do we want specifically for this one to be white though? Because this is the onboarding, so they're not like gonna have seen anything.
I feel like this one's fine to be white.
Okay, yeah, I agree. Okay, so this is gonna be white. It's gonna focus when that happens. It's monospaced. There's some padding around it with the background, the clip shape. It gets animated. Whenever somebody types, it'll show the goal. So as soon as it types, you see this pop in. The let's do this, if you hit that when this is empty, it should shake.
Yeah. If there's nothing in it.
Okay, let's have chat figure that out.
Just the shake animation.
Let's see what chat figures out. The geometry effect. I don't know if I've seen that as much. You got a modifier.
Well, shake effect. Yeah, just go down to the shake effect. Is that? Oh, that was up above.
This thing. So travel distance of 10, 3 shakes.
Oh, it's using pi. Look at that.
Oh, fun. Oh, that's cool. I imagine it's like, yeah, sine of animatable data times pi times shakes per unit. So yeah, I imagine like the curve. That's
So
how it
it's
does a
like
curve.
it's like the sign is like,
It's probably like,
but it's
so
only
it's
on
not
X.
linear.
So, well, I'll bet it's only on X. So
Yeah.
I'll bet it doesn't rotate.
Yeah. Like I think the sine means like because if you think of sine in relation to 0, it like goes up and then it comes down and then it goes up. So
Yeah.
I think it's doing that to like not be like a over like it doesn't like automatically switch direction. It like slows down and then it comes back.
Oh yeah, like a smooth.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, I'm curious what this looks like.
Yeah, let's bring this in.
Yeah, I gotta learn. I gotta jump back into geometry.
Yeah.
Is that trigonometry?
Yeah, trigonometry, yeah. Well, I think, yeah,
Trigonometry.
geometry as well. I think, yeah, that's a good question. So yeah, let's see what it looks like on this test. But I guess the idea is you just increase in the attempts. And it'll shake more. Yeah, maybe.
Oh, is that what it's doing?
So you
I
hit
don't
this.
see.
Okay, so it's not. It changes the direction though. I think it looks good. What do you
Yeah.
think? Anything else you want on it?
Go to the math. Let's see. The effect value, CG size, translate, travel distance. I mean, heck, I kind of want to throw something on Y too, so it like rotates a little.
Oh yeah. I think CA transform. Fine.
But I don't want it to go
CG.
down. It's really just a rotate. It's more just like a rotate.
Rotation
So
angle.
how is this transform animating it? Because the text field has an animation of value attempts. Oh, so anytime attempts changes, it's running.
That's a good question. If we take it out,
Oh, because the CG float animatable data.
yeah, if we take out the animation, it
It's
doesn't
not
do
going to do
anything.
anything. Yeah, it doesn't do anything.
If we add
So,
it
but
back in,
it's but the attempt is going up, so then it's running the animation. But like the CG animatable data, what's that animatable date? Oh, the sign. See, it is passing in
it's passing in this attempts,
attempts to the
which this
sign.
to the sign.
So it is going up somehow. But I guess timesing it by pi, I don't know what the math is.
Yeah,
Does that
but
not do anything?
like check it out. It's kind of weird because it flips every time. This time it ended on the right and it went back. But the next time it's going to end on the left and come back. Watch. See how like it finished at
Oh
the
yeah.
end?
So make it attempts add two. Have it add two to
Like mod
attempts.
2? Or where?
Just I think where
Oh,
attempts is, so then it's just always an even number.
yeah, smart.
And
Oh, no, it goes crazy, dude.
I feel like it's going. I feel like that number is changing it a little bit. Just throw in that where it says animatable data. Just throw in a two. Just
Where
put a two.
right
No,
here?
yeah, right where you've got no where you had selected. Just put a two. Does that work still?
No.
Interesting.
My
So
thought
it's like
is my thought is it's like you're passing in this modifier, you're giving it attempts, which starts at 0, and then it changes to 1, and it's like, oh, it just changed. It went from 0 to 1. We need to run a animation as it goes, and it moves from 0 to 1. And it's like, okay, it starts at 0, so whatever animatable data is at
but I
0.
wonder if sign is different because then the translation X is changing,
Yeah, let's look up the unit circle.
right?
I think yeah, I bet sine of whatever
It's like
full
sine
number.
1 times pi times 3 is going to be different than sine.
Yeah, so check it. Sine is the right number. Sine of 0 is 0. Sine
Yeah,
of
but then
pi,
but then if it goes 2, the circle jumps bigger. So then it animates to that new bigger circle. But I'm maybe with the same wave. It's just twice as big now.
yeah. Yeah, my thought is sine starts at 0 and it goes up to 1 and then down to 0.
Hmm.
And so that's kind of like it knows it's supposed to stay at 0. Yeah, dude, I think that's what it is. So sine is the y value of this circle. So if you start at 0 and I say, oh, add 1 pi, the animation, it's going to go up and then down. Like it goes and back down to 0. If I add another one, it goes down and then up.
Yeah.
And so it just does that multiplied by the shakes per unit.
Which is interesting. Yeah, those two animations feel different to me. Between 0 and 2 feels different.
Yeah, because I think it does double the amount of change. So if we up it to 2, but we make the shakes per unit 1.5, then I think it's always going to go the same way at the correct amount. Oh no,
Look at that.
It still flips.
Interesting.
What the heck? Are we cool with this? Do we also want to try a rotation?
Oh, I mean, I'm fine with this. I just was curious about understanding it for future.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Ah,
Might not be able
curious
to do
what it's gonna do.
2.
Well, you just yeah. I think you just need to put. You can't have two affine transformations. You just need to put rotation inside there if you want to do it.
Yeah, let's try.
Like translation X, Y, and then rotation. But I can't remember the name of it. The starting position of the Y needs to be of the rotation needs to be in the center.
Oh, you do
Oh,
concatenating.
wow.
Okay, so yeah, you do this rotation angle. There's a rotation angle, degrees of rotation, times pi divided by. Yeah, what the? Let's try this. Unless it's.
No, then we need to set the anchor point.
I'm wondering if the anchor point. Well, yeah. Let's see. Just by itself. Yeah, it is weird.
The anchor point needs to be in the center. Origin. I think it's origin.
Yeah.
Origin X. Oh.
What? Huh. Okay. Let's see.
So.
I bet it's gonna be wonky. Oh no. That's it.
No.
Unless is that. I guess like.
I like it.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
It's just a little bit more alive.
Yeah. I'm going to put these. Let me see. I'd rather have it be like something we can just toggle.
Yeah. Well, toggle, but I guess that it'll toggle itself, right?
Yeah, let's see. So yeah, like when the button is hit, we should just call should_shake.toggle. Nice. So we don't have to worry about like a number. Like this just feels more
Oh, I see.
natural. What
Should
do you
shake
think?
it just toggles it. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, cool. And then my thought would be, yeah. And then look, it just passes in. It still passes in a number.
Interesting.
Just
Wait,
doesn't.
go up to the other. What's it? How does it actually run anything then?
So it still goes between. I think it's the idea that like it starts at 0 because should shake is false, and then it knows oh he's animating to 1.
And then you
On
animate back to 0.
and then this one does always end in the same way.
Interesting.
So right now it's taking these 2 lines. I'm going to make an extension on view.
What's animatable data though? It's still passing something. It's still passing a number to animatable data.
Yeah, so animate. Whenever you have an animatable.
No, animatable data.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
So I think the idea, because I've seen you can create geometry. You can create other stuff where you use
Oh,
animatable
I see
data.
what you're saying.
So because this is a geometry effect, it conforms to animatable. And anything that's animatable, you need to pass in an animatable data, which is a vector arithmetic. So anything that conforms to vector arithmetic, you can pass in.
Yeah. Which that's what you're saying. It's going from 0 to 1, and that's what's creating the smooth.
Yeah.
Got it. The
So it's like,
data is animating.
I doubt we can pass in string because it doesn't know how to move from one to another. Maybe it does. You might get.
Nope.
Just like between 2 strings.
Well, how's it gonna?
Oh,
Yeah.
maybe. I don't know. Who knows?
I don't know how it would do that. And you can't times a string by pi.
Yeah. Okay. But what my thought is so people don't need to worry about like, and modifier, shake effect, animatable data. Like, I'm just
Yeah,
gonna
none of
create a
that.
func that says like shake on change of um, should return some view, and this is gonna. So in here we should say shake on change of should shake. So you hit this and it shakes. So in here, we now just take this to our goal screen and we say the text field should shake whenever our shake text field. So whenever shake text field changes, and we just need to always remember to do toggle instead of
True or false. Yeah.
setting it to true or false.
Yeah.
Okay, so this loads, pops this up. You start typing.
Blew it.
Freak. start typing, this pops up, and then if you hit this, that shakes.
Yeah.
Do you like that?
I might mess with it. I might go in and look at the math and see what it's doing.
Okay.
For now, it's cool.
But we're saying we only shake it if gold text is empty.
Correct.
We should shake and then return. But if it doesn't, then we should continue to the next screen. Right?
Yep.
Okay. So on this onboarding flow, I'm going to do something more like how we did it here. On the goal screen, we should have like a, instead of us passing in this whole stack, we will just pass in a function that needs to be run. Let me take this out. So we'll just pass in a function called var next, like on next button pressed, which is a function that returns void, and it's optional, so you don't have to pass it in. But if you tap the button and it doesn't return, then it'll call that.
Great.
And in here, it'll be
so slick. You're going to have to, this is where we're going to have to grab the text and kick off our AI analysis.
True. Okay. Yeah.
And then, I mean, you just add a comment for now. But
well, in that case, though, we do need to actually pass a string back to whoever's calling it.
Correct.
So instead of it being an empty, we're going to say on next button pressed of the goal text.
Nice.
So this will be like goal text in. So we can print the goal text, but then we need to move on to the next screen.
Yeah, we need to go to milestone. Well, I think we need to go to then we go to the question of asking them if they want to block distracting apps. So it's not even milestone, it's block.
Okay, which maybe let's do that tomorrow.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, well, I'm going to run this on the simulator and make sure it works. I'm also interested to see, like, we have two different backgrounds. I just want to see like how the animation looks as it's going between them.
Yeah, we might have to do a fade transition between the two, or
yeah. Yeah. Also, like we want, I don't know if this is the best way of handling like all the navigation side of stuff, but we do want like there not to be a back button on any of these screens, and for you not to be able to swipe back. So I might need to figure that out.
Yeah. But maybe a way to skip it all?
Yeah.
Possibility.
Maybe. Yeah. Maybe like as developers, we figure it out. Oh, I was having this weird issue where it would get really slow. Anyways.
I mean, that was really fast, but I didn't feel like there was a problem there. Oh, that keyboard took forever to come up.
Oh, that was me. Yeah,
Oh,
when you now it should. I had to. I hit this.
oh yeah.
Look, yeah,
Yeah, that could be smoother. I like it could be nice if there was like I feel like I want like a glitch effect.
oh,
I'm wondering if we need to have like Rive handle that animation. Like Rive have both of those in background and then you're passing in which one it should be.
yeah, it'd be kind of
See
cool.
if see if chat can do a glitch effect between two UI screens.
Yeah, like that's something because this is all happening via this navigation stack. Like we're
Yeah.
pushing things on. I wonder if we can like.
Can you animate between stacks in navigation?
Let's see.
Because yeah, right now it's just going like left to right and pushing it.
Yeah,
You just have to build your own.
yeah. I feel like I saw something where Apple UI. There's like a hero effect or something. Navigation transition. Yeah, I think there is something. So check it. This is like, so that's the default
Yeah,
way.
that's plain navigation demo. But he's written his own thing here.
No, I think this is like
Oh, there it is.
built
Navigation
in.
stack. Navigation.
Okay,
Huh.
there's navigation transition.
Yeah, but we want it to be a glitch effect. They didn't build that in.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, all it's got is automatic resume.
Oh, what's
So
Zoom look like?
that's what this one is.
Oh, I mean that could be kind of cool. Let's try that.
Yeah. Gradient ID source. I think it normally has to do like with images, maybe.
That's fair. That makes sense. Not the whole view.
Yeah, let's mess with this later. I kind of need to go to the bathroom, so let's maybe
Okay.
finish it.
Well, we can
Um,
wrap it up for tonight. Push this, and this is great.
oh, I love it. What if we just say, what do you want to accomplish instead?
Yeah.
A little bit shorter. And then, yeah, so here I'll rerun this. I deleted my tasks on the simulator. So this is what the actual onboarding looks like.
Okay.
Um, so you get this screen, goes into here, hit yes.
I mean, for now, that transition looks great. Wait, that was weird.
That was weird.
It did it multiple times too.
Yeah. Oh, I thought we fixed it.
Well, that clear thing, it's messing because it's trying to put the space after accomplish, but then it's like, oh, now I do have space. Oh, I don't have space. I do have space. I don't have space.
Yeah, maybe on our clear text. I don't know. Okay, yeah, we'll have to figure that out.
Yeah, we'll think about it.
Yeah, I'm gonna hurry and just add some padding underneath this CTA button.
Okay.
And I think I should be good. Pop-up terminal.
And then push that up. Oh, there you go.
See, now it does this. Yeah, we'll fix that.
We'll fix it.
And I feel like it grows too big. I think my scale effect is a little too big.
Okay. But we can tighten all that up.
No,
Sweet.
no. Okay. Okay, should be rolling. Okay, that was fun.
Okay. Way to go.
Sweet. We'll see you
Thanks,
tomorrow.
Trevor. It's looking good.
I'm excited. Okay, we'll see you.
Okay. Have a good night.